How to find YouTube viral shorts ideas using the search. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling to get views on YouTube shorts, the problem is not the algorithm, it's the idea. In this video, we'll use YouTube search itself to find short ideas that are already going viral. So let's get started. So for that, you can just go over and open up the YouTube, and once you find the YouTube application, you can go to the search bar in the top and tap on it, and there just type a keyword, a broad keyword related to your niche. For example, AI, motivation, etc. So I'm just gonna type in facts. And once you type in, do not press enter yet. So once you do so, let YouTube autocomplete and do the work. And you can look out for the suggestions here in the search. So there's suggestions are what real things people are searching for, right? So you can just go over and look out for the viral idea seeds right here in the section. And now you can refine the search using short friendly triggers. For example, facts about Earth, etc. And these words are high retention for shorts. And after you do so, you can hit enter, and that should probably show you the results available. You can tap on the search once again, and before searching it out, you can even filter it out. You can look out for the three dot, tap on search filters, and filter it out. You can sort it out by relevance, upload date, this week, today, etc. That should also help us spot the viral content and not old stuff. You can click on a short with high views, a simple concept, short duration. Just go over and look out for it. And you may also recreate something like that with a new angle, and that should do it. And that is it. You can even open up comments for the YouTube shorts that are available and check out what people are liking. For example, part two, confusion, curiosity, etc. And that should also probably give you a new short idea. And that way you can just go over and create a video and turn one idea into multiple shots. And do so, YouTube search is a trend. You can just go and turn it on and build the kind of shot you are looking for. So this is how you do it. You may follow up this method for that. We hope this guide was helpful to you. Please do give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.